In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process on how I designed the first sample birthday flyer in Adobe Photoshop. If you are here to purchase yourself the ultimate graphic design resource pack and save yourself the time and then the stress in getting quality resource files for your design, then I'm going to leave the link of my ultimate graphic design resource pack in the description of this video, and I also pin the link in the comment section so that you can get yourself a copy. If today is your first time being on our channel, I want you to click on that subscribe button and then turn on the notification bell icon. Now let's get into the video. Alright, so the first thing is to open your Adobe Photoshop as usual, and then head over to your file, click on new, and then give your project a name. So I'm going to name mine Simple Birthday Flyer Design. Alright, and then we are going to use 9 by 10 inches as the size and leave the resolution in 300 and then click on create. Alright, now head over to your files here and then drag and drop this image here like this. Well, now let's adjust this like this. So this is okay for me. Now go to image and then click on adjustments and then click on the color balance, then toggle the shadows under the tone balance, and then let's do some adjustments here. So we are going to maintain this figure here, which is 0, and then change this from 0 to 24, then change this from 0 to 55. Now let's toggle the mid tones, and then we are going to increase this to 100 and then give this a plus of 16, and then this one let's give it minus 14. Now let's come to the highlights and then change this to 15 and then change this to 47. All right, and then this one let's keep it at minus 98 and then click on OK. Good. Now head over to your filter, come to blur and then click on Gaussian blur and then leave the radius at 40 pixels and click on OK. So I'm going to adjust it like this. Now head over to your folder again and then drag and drop this image right here. Click on this guy. Now select your eraser tool, right click on it and then select the magic eraser tool. Let's rasterize the image. So rasterize, and let's get rid of the background. Go to image and then go to adjustments and then go to hue and saturation and then increase the saturation to 46 like this and then click on OK. Now go to filter, go to blur, Gaussian blur, and then we are going to use 20 pixels as the radius and click on OK. I'm going to adjust it like this. Alright, and then put it right here. Click on this guy. Good. Now go to your folder and then drag and drop this image here like this. Increase the size. Okay. Click on this guy and then change the blend mode from normal to pin light, which is this guy right here. Click on it. Good. And let's drag and drop this image, which is the first image. Click on this guy, right click on it, then rasterize. Now go to the select tab and then click on subjects. Now this is going to select the subject and then leave the background, which will help us to get rid of the background. Now if you have watched the video I did on how to remove backgrounds in Adobe Photoshop, then you will understand why we use this method. So we'll come here and then add the layer mask and the background is gone. Alright, and this is what I'm going to do. Head over and select the eraser tool. Let's right click on the image and then click on convert to smart objects. Right click on it and then click on rasterize, and let's get rid of the lower part like this. Alright, Okay, so I think this is okay for me, and then I'm going to resize it like this, which is right here. Let's see. Okay, so this is okay for me. All right, now right click on the image and then click on convert to smart objects. Head over to the filter and then click on the camera raw filter. We are going to do some color adjustments to the picture here. Right, so now this is what we're going to do. Come to the saturation, where is it? Under the basic adjustments, and then adjust the saturation to somewhere 15. All right, and then let's come to contrast. Then we're going to move it all the way to 26. Okay, 27 you do. All right, and then the exposure, let's move it to 40. All right, then let's see what we can do with the rest of the options here. Okay, I'm going to keep the shadows at -6, and then the highlights, a plus of 5. Let's see if we can add some curves here. Okay, all right, so I think this is okay for me, and I'm going to click on OK. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this image here. On the keyboard, press on Ctrl+J to make a duplicate, and I'm going to put it at the left side and then adjust it like this, and then I'm going to move it top. Let's adjust the image. See, okay, click on this guy. Good. Now go back to your folder and then drag and drop this image right here. Go with your Photoshop, click on this guy, right click on it and then click on rasterize layer. Now go to the select tab and then click on subjects, just like we did for the first one. All right, now add the layer mask to get rid of the background, and I'm going to adjust it this way. And then put it right here like this. Click on this guy. Good. Now right click on it and then click on convert to smart objects. Now go to the filter tab, then click on camera raw filter. All right, and then you can also do some adjustments here. So let's move the exposure to 40. And then the contrast, let's see what we can do here. 26. Okay, now let's come to the exposure. Okay, we've done the exposure, and we'll go to 40. Good. And then saturation, so 15, and then click on OK. I think this is okay for me. Now let's add our first text. So grab your text tool, then we're going to add our first text. Let me increase the size to 16. All right, and then let's add our first text, which is happy birthday Belinda Edu. All right, so for the record, the person whose image I am using in any way did not ask me to do this flyer for her. This flyer is only meant for educational purposes and should be treated as such, right? So I'm just going to adjust my text like this and then click on this guy. Good. Now I think we need to move the image down like this a little bit. Okay, so this is okay for me. Let's see. Alright, so let's adjust the text some more. Good. This is alright for me. Awesome. Now let's go ahead and add our next text, which will be the dates. Alright, this 27th January, and then you are going to adjust it as well. Keep it at 0, then increase the size to 18. Let's increase the size more. Let's change the font style to bold. Okay, let's use black and see, but it's okay for me. So let's change the color. Let's sample the color here. Okay, so this is the color code that we are using, and then click on OK. Click on this guy, click on this guy. Let's resize it a little bit, and I'm going to put it right here like this. Click on the key. Alright, now create a new layer, and then change your foreground color. So let's sample the color here, and then it will be down. So this is the color code that we are using. Click on OK, and select the brush tool. Let's increase the size. Now you're going to apply it here like this. Good. I'm going to adjust it. Click on OK, and I'm going to add my text. So add your text, which is the happy. Click on this guy and then adjust it. Change the color to white. Click on OK, and then put it right here. So basically we are done with the flyer. I'm just adding the text, and then we close it for this tutorial. Alright, let me add my next text again, which is the birthday. Now I'm going to change the font to orthography. Let's change the color. I'm going to sample the color here. Okay, so this is the color code, and I click on OK. Let's do some adjustments, and I'm going to put it right here like this. Let's increase the happy text. Good. So as you can see, this flyer is very simple. There's nothing complicated here. It's very simple. I'm also going to leave the resource files that I used in this tutorial in the description below, so that you can download and then practice along. Right, good. Now select your text again, and then draw a text box, which will be our birthday wish. So let's change the font to Montserrat, and then the size, let's use 10, and then let's decrease the spacing. All right, let's see what we can do here, and then change the color to white. So basically this will be the birthday wish for the person that you are doing the flyer for. All right, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to use the default text in Adobe Photoshop. Right, just want to show you the idea. So okay, and I'm going to put it right here like this. Click on OK, and there we have our flyer looking very beautiful. You can go ahead and then save your flyer. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing, and then like I said, turn on the notification bell icon. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe, and then turning on the notification bell icon also helps you to get notified anytime I drop new video. Now until I come your way with another Photoshop tutorial, I'm out.